Another easy nail design for my beginners. First, you're going to start off with taking your color, whatever color that you want to ombre. Today, I'm going to be ombreing this beautiful glitter by Beetles. When I tell y'all this glitter is so pretty, it's so pretty. And on top of this, we're going to be doing the infamous Seashell nail design. You're going to start by covering the tip of the nail with the glitter. Now, the reason why you don't want to take it too far because we are going to ombre this with a brush. And you want to have room to be able to come down the nail to where it wouldn't be too far down the nail. So just make sure you watch that. And get you a long detailed brush. I prefer the long brush because you will be able to feather the strokes more with the longer brush. I have seen this design going around so much, and I always wanted to put my little spin on it, my little twist. I love silver and I love sparkles, so I already knew I wanted to incorporate that somewhere in the nails, because the design I seen, like with the regular seashell, the blooming design, yeah, that was cute and all, but I always got to be a little extra and do too much. I just went ahead and sped up this section right here for y'all. This is for my girlies that need to see something like repeated to actually get it, because I be like that sometimes. I have to see somebody repeat something over and over and over again before it actually clicks in my head. Down in the comments, let me know like what's y'all go-to shape for like certain seasons, because I noticed that I have like a go-to shape for a certain occasion or a certain season. Like I might switch up my square and do my almond, or I might do duck, or I might do stiletto. Like what's y'all go-to shape for the certain occasion or the certain season? Make sure y'all comment that down below, because I really be wanting to know. Or are y'all just that certain person that just sticks to that one shape? That's your shape. That shape know you. You know that shape. I went ahead and cured my nails after that. Now, after you cured and you want your glitter to pop a little more, and if that one layer of glitter is still a little like opaque to you, you can go in and add another layer of glitter. Now, the trick to this is you already done ombre the glitter. So all you need to do is add the glitter on the tip of the nail, and it's going to give the illusion that it's more glitter there than what it actually is. You don't have to mess with the ombre part because you already did that. So don't go no farther down the ombre part unless you're going to have to redo that part. Because if you go too far down, you're going to see the line of demarcation. Like you're going to see that permanent line right there. And then you're going to have to redo it. You don't want to do all that. We're trying to make it easy, simple, beginner friendly. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure the nails again, and then we're going to go in with top coat. The reason why we're going to go in with the top coat before we do the design is because if you do the design and then go in with the top coat, it's kind of going to hide the design, if that makes sense. Like make the design like shy away. You don't want that. You want your 3D design to pop. So therefore, I'm going to go in with the top coat first, and then I'm going to do the design on top of the top coat. So therefore, the design is not taken away by the top coat. It's going to be the first thing you see on the nail is that design. And if you thought that your ombre was looking a little streaky, looking a little crazy after you got done blending it, baby, that top coat done made that ombre come to life. Trust me, it looks so pretty once you add the top coat on it. Like your vision is starting to come to life. You see that? Oh, blinding. Taking whatever builder gel you have, or you could use your Macart rhinestone glue. It works just as well. You're going to just squeeze it onto a flat surface. Now, if you have your builder gel, you'll just take the brush and dip it in there. But since I didn't have my builder gel right then and there, I just decided to use my Macart nail glue. So taking the brush that I used to stroke the lines, I'm going to scoop a little bit on. Now you want to make sure the product is focused on the tip of the brush. You're going to place the middle of your brush on the nail, on the tip of the nail, and slide it on down. So therefore, all that product that is on the tip of the brush is right at the tip of the nail where it's supposed to be. So therefore, when you slide it down, it's going to thin out. You want most of the product to be at the beginning of the design. You want the end of the design to be super thin. And also, when you're doing this Seashell design, you want to do the first line going straight down the middle of the nail, and then the two side lines, you're going to make those diagonal. You want them to be leaned in more, because if you do those just straight down, it's going to not look like a Seashell. It's going to look like something else. So those two outside lines, those have to come in to make the look come together. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so you can get more beginner-friendly nail art. That is what I'm here for, to break everything down for y'all and make y'all lives easier. I went through all of this to teach y'all the easy ropes of doing nail art. And this is the final product, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye.